It's Tonic here, and today we're breaking down the latest scoop on the Samsung Galaxy Store and themes. If you're a Galaxy device user like me, you might have heard the buzz about a temporary shutdown. But hey, no need to panic. We've got all the details you need right here. So, here's the deal. Samsung's Galaxy Store and Galaxy themes are taking a short nap for maintenance. Yep, you heard that right. But don't worry, it's all for a good cause. The company wants to make sure everything is running smoothly, so they're hitting the pause button for a few hours. Mark your calendars for August 22nd between 2:30 and 5:30 Mumbai time, GMT 5:30. During this time, the Galaxy Store and theme servers will be offline. Now, there's a question lingering: will this affect users worldwide or just in India? While the answer isn't crystal clear, one thing's for sure: the apps will be back up before you know it. Now, the million-dollar question: when will everything be back to normal? Samsung's aiming to get the store and themes back online within a few hours. But hey, let's be real. Maintenance can be a bit unpredictable. So, keep your eyes peeled for updates from the company. That's a wrap on today's update, folks. Thanks for tuning in and staying in the loop with us. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech news and updates.